Our students are the world's only 7-time winners of ICPC. The graduates of the school are among the best paid IT specialists. The school is a talent foundry for the National Center of Cognitive Research, a leading AI research and development center in Russia. And the last, our school staff has developed the St. Petersburg flood warning system. No floods in St. Petersburg so far. ITMO University is well known around the world as a hotbed of ICT education. The School of Translational Information Technologies operates in the field of pure digital technologies, digitality only, no hardware or robots. Our main focus is on artificial intelligence and data science. Why is it so important now? I hope that this is a trivial question for all of you. Artificial intelligence has a wide range of applications in all parts of our life. At the school, our educational programs cover the most significant areas of it. We train our specialists in such specific areas of algorithmics, data analysis, machine learning, and scientific computing applied in various fields: urban studies, finances, medicine, geotechnologies, biology, life sciences, and others. There are also specializations in software development and information systems, and the media, our cyberspace. The school is comprised of 4 educational departments, namely Information Technologies and Programming Department, Department of Info Communication Technologies, Digital Transformations Department, and Institute of Design and Urban Studies. During their studies, our students have many opportunities to gain hands-on experience at different research labs and centers that operate on the international level. For example, the International Laboratory of Computer Technologies or the Corporate Laboratory of Human-Machine Interactive Technologies. We are also a part of the National Center of Cognitive Research, a leading AI research center in Russia. Working in research teams at the center, students can participate in different practically oriented projects and work on practical problems proposed by our industrial partners. One project we are currently working on is the digital avatars, or ITMO avatar. It is an individual digital assistant that learns through regular interaction with his owner. We expect that these tools will turn interactions with the university's ecosystem into a tailor-made experience for every user, be that a student or a lecturer. ITMO is especially well known for the achievements in ICT, which has made our graduates very desirable specialists. They work as research engineers, data analysts, and software developers at large research centers and innovative startups, and as researchers at the world's leading universities. Many of our students start their careers with our industrial partners. Many of our students receive offers from corporate giants such as Google, Yandex, and Apple. One of the main values of ITMO University is being international. We believe that in today's globalized world, international experience is a must. At ITMO, there are many opportunities to be part of the international environment. During their studies, students can join an exchange semester, take internships abroad, participate in short-term mobility programs, or attend international conferences and contests. Our main academic and research partners are the University of Amsterdam, Warsaw University of Technology, University of Crete, University of Rostock, Laperanto University of Technology, and Carl Linnaeus University. An ideal graduate who has tried all the opportunities available at our school. Who are they? First, they are an excellent specialist in one of the most promising labor markets. Experienced in participating in hackathons or summer schools, or internships at international conference, including ARAN conference. They have also published scientific articles in international scientific journals, indexed in Scopus or Web of Science, and worked in research teams on tasks provided by our industrial partners. All these things are quite doable at our school. And most importantly, we hope that this graduate will be happy. If you have any questions, email us. We'll come to it more.